Alright, I hope you're ready because things are about to get really dorky in here. So this should come as a surprise to absolutely no one, but I'm a huge Harry Potter dork. For Harry Potter's birthday, I thought I cannot be the only muggle wanting to celebrate, right? So why not have a theme pop-up with the bakery? I partner with a local bookshop and wine store, two of my favorite things, here in St. Pete called Book and Bottle, and the owner was just as excited as I was, so this got fun real fast. Here's how the whole thing came together. The first item I knew this pop-up needed to have is Hagrid's birthday cake. I mean, come on, that's so iconic, right?
Thank you.
It's not every day your young man turns 11 now, is it? Hey?
So I went with the vanilla cake with the mixed berry jam filling, covered in vanilla buttercream, and then decorated just like Hagrid's. Now I have to admit, having a bakery and focusing every day on making every cake absolutely perfect and beautiful, making this one ugly was kind of a fun challenge. Next up were the golden snitches, and they were a variation of my peanut butter cookie dough truffles. I took the peanut butter cookie dough and rolled it into balls. Then to make the wings, I melted some white chocolate and then piped them over some toothpicks. Once they were dry, I assembled the snitches and then covered it all in an edible golden shimmer. Looks pretty neat, right? Now, no Harry Potter birthday celebration would be complete without some butterbeer. Now, I've tasted a lot of butterbeer along the years, and let's face it, it's kind of nasty. But the week before the event, I took a Harry Potter cocktail class. Because that's the kind of Saturday night plans that I have. I don't know what you guys are doing. But anyways, butterbeer, spiked butterbeer, was one of the drinks in that class, and it was so delicious, so I had to adapt that into a cupcake. I'm gonna put the recipe to those cupcakes in the description below so you guys can make it too. But I also wanted to give these cupcakes a sorting hat twist.
Right, okay. Gryffindor!
So what I did is put sprinkles in the middle of them for each of the houses so that when you bit into it, you found out which house you belong in. I also had some variations on the usual menu items at the bakery. So the Curious Cat paw print cookies became Crookshanks paw print cookies after Hermione's cat, who's a little scruffy but very lovable, thank you very much.
Is that what they told you? Looks more like a pig with hair if you ask me.
Brownies became chocolate frog brownies. And my cookie sandwiches got a Harry Potter spin by becoming Deathly Hallows cookie sandwiches as I piped in chocolate the Deathly Hallows symbol on them. Now, I had no idea if anyone was going to like this as much as I was enjoying making it, but you guys blew me out of the water. You guys showed up in wands, themed shirts, themed masks because it's 2020 and this is what you do now, and we sold out of everything 3 hours before the event was even over. Everything just made me happier than Dobby with a sock.
Dobby is free.
We're definitely gonna have to do more of that in the future. Tell me in the comments below what kind of theme you like to see in our next event. I'm dying to hear that. And if you like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will have that butterbeer cupcake recipe for you in the description below so you can sign up and get it for yourself. And I will see you next Wednesday with a new video. Until then, stay curious. I'm gonna put the recipe to those. So the Curious Cat paw print cookies became, what did they become? Cookie dough truffles. That didn't sound right. So I went with a vanilla cake with a something. It had something. Then to make the wings, I melted white chocolate and piped it over some, Then once they are dry, cookie, blah, blah, blah. I rolled up peanut, oh my god, I can't say that. And then piped those over some toothpicks. Once they were dry, I stuck them into the balls. That does not sound good. Do not have that.